Dating and everything is cool, right? In this generation, you will not find someone who is not dating currently. Or if you are telling someone that no, you are not dating currently anyone, they will give you a strange look like what? So I often get these questions that, Trina, are you dating? If yes, then who is that person? If you are not dating, then what is the reason to not date? That this is the right time to date. You are at your early 20s, you have completed your studies and stuffs, now you have started earning, so this may be the right time to date. Otherwise you will not find your person, so this is the time to have fun and something like that. So in this video we are going to discuss about this topic, that what is my point of view about love, relationships and physical intimacy, all of that things. So you understand that this video is going to be really interesting. And if you don't know me, then hi, I am Trina. I make videos about productivity, self-development, minimalism and a lot more things that I am passionate about. So if you are interested in any of those topics, then consider subscribing. And now with that, let's get started. By the way, I am drinking water. I have something in my cup, okay? Now this video is not going to be a formal sit down video because in this video I'm going to share my point of view as a very good close friend, or maybe you can think me your elder sister who is sharing her life talks with you. So yeah, let's get started. So by this time I'm really hungry, so we are going to make some sandwich and we'll start our live talk. Okay, so my concept of dating is a lot more different, and I didn't even find someone whose concept of dating will match with my thinking. Do I even like someone, or did I even date someone in my life? That's just something that I'm going to share at the end of the video. Yes, this is hope to keep you stick to this video till the end. But before that, let me share that why am I not dating currently? Why am I choosing to be single rather than dating someone? I believe in attracting things in my life, and we all attract things in our life by our thought process, and I have already made a video about that. If you want, you can check that out. That is the video, by the way. So after watching that video, or maybe right now, you can check that video. I'm not going to share the entire thing in this video, otherwise this video will be really long. So I have met a lot of boys in my life, not a dating kind of meeting, but definitely you understand that currently I'm working somewhere, and in my 4 years of engineering life, and in my 1 year of my working life, 6 months for training, but actually 1 year of my working life, I have met with a lot of boys, and I really have talked with them, with some of them, but somehow I could not connect with them entirely. You know that one thing that is called vibe. What is vibe, by the way? Your thinking process, your perspective, the way you think a particular thing. So all these things make your vibe, and everyone's vibe is different, and somehow I could not connect with their vibe, or maybe they could not connect with me. So that connection is really important for me, and that vibe makes a strong connection with any person. I hope I can make that point clear. I hope that you are getting me what I'm trying to convey to you. Moreover, I can say that I didn't receive that frequency that will match with mine, I can say. And with that, as you can see, our sandwich is almost ready. Now we are going to enjoy the sandwich, and then, oh my god, so that's what happens when you manage both things together. But it's okay. We're going to have this like this. So our sandwich is ready, and you can see that the light is becoming really poor because it will be raining outside after some time, and I really need to complete the shooting before that. I hope I can do that. But anyway, what I was saying is that once I have seen that Anushka Sharma was sharing something about Virat Kohli and her relationship, is that she was saying Virat Kohli as her male version. So that's the line that I feel really happy after listening her words. Is that Virat Kohli is not a different person. Anushka and Virat, they are a single person, but they just belong into different bodies. So after listening that, I was like, this is the thing. This is the kind of love that I want in my life. After watching that video, my expectations become really so high, and yeah, if that is not the definition of soulmate, if that is not the definition of true love, then I don't know what is true love and what is soulmate kind of things. And yes, I do believe in soulmate. Yes, that may sound creepy or cringy, but I do believe in soulmate. And I think if that person, when this person will appear in my life, I will understand that. I will understand that by my intuition. And unfortunately, no guys, no boys in my life made me feel in that way. Hoping that maybe I will find someone. It may sound cringy or creepy, but that's the kind of relationship that I want in my life. If I do not find that kind of relationship, I will rather choose to be single. So that's the thing. I really don't want to be in a relationship to just celebrate grand birthdays, to receive gifts, or maybe to have fun at fancy restaurants, at 5-star restaurants. No, I know that these are the things is very common. I will get that things whenever I want, but I don't want this kind of things. I want something that is really rare. I know these are the things rare. That is why I have chosen to be single rather than to be in a relationship. And now what I have said before is that, if I have said or not, I don't know, I forget, that I don't want that lovey-dovey kind of relationship. I am beyond that. Literally, I am beyond that, and I really want to the universe to send me such person in my life. I really wish to have a person in my life with whom I can connect truly. That connection should be really strong, and I don't need to post a photo on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever to prove that love, to prove that strong connection. I just want to feel it from the core of my heart, and that connection should be strong, that everyone will know it. That connection that you can see in between Virat and Anushka, that is something really rare. I manifest that type of connection in my life. I wish universe to send me that type of person in my life. Otherwise, I will rather choose to be single. I want to work on myself, and I want to focus on my things, and eventually I will meet that person. And when I will meet that person, I will feel so much sure that yes, that is the person, and that's the feeling, that's something that I want. Otherwise just I want to focus on my work, and yeah, I just want to work on myself. The sandwich is really tasty, by the way, but I'm going to enjoy that after shooting. Yeah. Now let's talk about physical intimacy. I think we should have some conversation about this topic. Not conversation, but discussion. It is not conversation, but it is that I am sharing my point of view. We should, I should make some videos often about this thing, because in this modern generation, I really don't like something that is happening. No, I'm not judging someone if they're having sex with multiple person, but that is something that we should take care of. So once Ranveer Alavadia said, Beer Biceps, was said in his reels that sex is something, the spiritual definition of sex is when you are having sex with someone, you are exchanging their karma with you. And the definition is something that really hit me here. And sex is a very sacred thing, we take this sex and physical intimacy things in a very wrong way, and that should not be taken like that. So it is a very precious thing, and your body is like temple, so you should be very careful that to whom you are giving access to your body. And sex is a precious moment that you are going to be shared with your partner, and be wise about that. Obviously in my case, I do not want to give access to my body with anyone, and that is the moment that I obviously want to share with a specific person. And if you think that if you sex with multiple person and you don't share with anyone, no one will know. Yes, no one will ever know that you are having sex with multiple person, but you will know that. And at a point of time in your life, you will when you will think about that thing that yes, you have done that at your at any point of your life, then I hope that feeling will not be very much good about you. Will not feel good about you. That the gut feeling will always hit you, and that's not what we want. So that is my point of view about sex, physical intimacy kind of things. And I don't know what is your point of view. Please let me know that what do you think about this modern love, relationship and sex. And yes, I know that there are a lot of background noises, but I'm sorry because I have to shoot this video today right now. But yeah, I am sure that I have made my points clear about this love, relationship, physical intimacy kind of thing. So yeah, if you find this video helpful or if you connect with my thoughts, then please like the video, so I will understand that okay, this much people have connected with my thoughts. And also subscribe to my channel if you like my video. You can follow me on Instagram. I want you to show your love for this video by liking, commenting and subscribing my channel, and I will see you in my next video. And till then, you can check out my other videos, and my request will be to check out my that video that is about law of attraction. I hope that video will find that video very helpful. If you can connect with my thoughts in this video, then you have to watch the video about law of attraction. Okay, now that's the end of this video, and I will see you next week with another interesting video.